All right, today we have a mystery box. We actually have no idea what's inside this. Gabe just said, this is from somebody I know, so it must be very good. Somebody you know really stumped me on this tape job here, Cruz. Ah! Hopefully it's not fragile. Why is everybody sitting so far away?
I'm right behind you. Whoa, whoa.
What the stop sign?
Oh my word.
Grip on it?
No stop signs were harmed in the making of this stop sign?
What in the world is this?
How does it work?
So how do you get a stop sign, first of all?
Yeah, first of all, how did you get a stop sign, Gabe's
I got
friend?
A stop sign.
You took it down?
Nope.
Stop. That joke is never gonna get old.
Stop.
Leave it in the comments below how many times we can say the word stop in this stop sign video. Oh no, these hardware might be too long.
No way.
That's what kind of protein I use.
Whey?
Nah, actually, plant protein, but hey, we got it.
Ah! Oh, this is a stop sign. I was trying to figure out what it was.
Literally a stop sign, brother.
Well, honestly, I knew what this was, but I thought it was gonna be a stop sign just like an actual stop sign. But then he went above and beyond and created us this epic creation.
Yeah, you made a board out of it.
Yeah.
You thought he was just gonna literally send a stop sign?
Yeah.
This is Gabe Cruz for ya. You got tricks on this,
amazing.
Justin Daniels?
I don't know.
720 the vert ramp.
What's the shinner potential on this thing?
It's extremely high, Gabe.
I'm scared of it, I ain't gonna lie.
Dick Polish. I was reading that.
Oh no, Gabe, this is gonna be so hard.
Dick Polish, 90, Artist Alley in the creation.
This looks amazing.
Okay, you had to go straight to the obituaries?
It's just what
This is gonna be impossible to
No,
say.
it's not, dude. How many years have you been doing this? You just gotta stop.
Okay, okay.
Hey, you know what you need to do on this board though? The first thing is a rolling stop.
Come on now.
If you look a little closer right here, deaths, it says Aaron Cairo's shins. Right here, see?
Deaths.
This was like the board I dropped in on Vert, that little one.
Oh.
This feels exactly
What are
like
the odds
that.
you do it again?
Absolutely not.
Dang,
I don't think I would ever want to do
Nigel's
that
really
again.
gone soft.
I don't even think it's...
Oh! Wheel bite. Maybe we should put some risers on there.
Maybe.
Oh, it's very bendy. Very bendy.
It's impossible, he said. You're not gonna be able to do anything on it. Just stop.
Get on
stop.
there. Get on there.
No, Nigel's failing.
Give me a kickflip. Get on there.
Hey, it's just a little adjustment, you know.
Your
It's
hair's
not
looking so
gnarly.
good today.
No, thank you, man. I'm growing it out. I just want it to look nice. All right, what should we actually do on this?
Nollie shove it.
Nollie shove?
Yeah, that you got.
Can I just do regular shove?
Yeah, if you got it, that's hard.
No, bro. Oh yeah, I got it.
Think you're not gonna burial foot this?
I might actually.
Wow.
See? You see that flick?
In front of the lens.
Right
The
here.
people's champion.
Yeah, get the good angle.
I got the good angle. Oh, I hope you didn't land that.
No, I didn't.
Okay, I'm wrong. This board is easy. You can do every trick on it. Yeah, it's bendy and small.
Alright, can I land the shove clean? Oh, look at this. A little damage report starting to bend downwards a little bit.
Wait,
No
genius. You can make a lip. You just have to push it the other way.
Oh.
Now I see why he reinforced it. You know, I think these stop signs would have been stronger.
Maybe if they put like a more reinforced barrier around the edges, people will actually stop at them.
Cap.
All right, let me get my shove, bro.
Now you got a nose, ish.
Nose goes. Wow, that was clean. Get this man out of here.
Should I drop in?
Gold chain.
Should I drop in?
You won't.
Should I?
You won't. Look who just.
You want me to do it for you, bro?
I'm gonna get. Oh, that's a stop sign?
Gabe Cruz in front of the mic. If you can drop it on this, you can drop it on the vert ramp.
I got scared.
Try the revert?
I got scared.
Oh!
Is that lined up?
Yeah, you're good.
Bro,
You looking good, girl.
it's more scary than the vert ramp.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Drop it on vert.
Am I locked?
Yeah, you locked.
No, don't lie to me, Jay.
You're locked.
Am I
fool.
good?
Yes.
No, I was not. Oh!
Would have been fine if you wouldn't have bailed.
Fudge!
We don't eat fudge.
Oh, I won't let you down! I won't let you down!
It's brick out here.
Yeah, it's freezing, bro.
We can't trust Glow though, he's always cold. Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm pretty cold.
That was hella scary.
There Gabe goes, yelling in the videos. Light it up in the comments. Gabe's always yelling. Woo! Woo! Woo!
It's way lighter than I would think.
Yeah.
Get off the runway, bro. For the landings.
Oh!
It honestly feels like a little airplane. Like, you know, a little paper airplane?
Yeah.
You think it's tray flippable?
No.
Is Tupac your favorite rapper? It feels so cool, but it's not popping how you would think it would pop. It's not busting like them Braille skateboards, let me tell you.
Word to that.
Why can't I land it?
It's because these are the bolts right here.
You gotta believe, brother.
Not here.
That's all I do is believe. You heard me, Aaron? That doesn't count.
Go.
Get the kickflip, bro.
Okay, you want it, Oozy?
Yeah, sure.
I feel like it's going to go to a very dark place right now.
No. I'm just gonna hit the kickflip, that's it.
He just hasn't tried it yet. Okay, he's going. What in the? Oh! Watch your shins, Oozy.
I heard that all the newspaper was like obituaries.
Whoa! What in the flying fork? No, rebate.
It's hard to stand on it.
Sketch it.
Body!
Oh, that was solid.
That was good.
Oozy, stop. Okay, what you got there, young guns?
Oh no, bro, this thing's sketch. Oh my!
It is sketch, right? Sketchier than you thought, right?
Nah, stop.
Yeah, it is.
Hold on. Okay, let me do this. Okay, you ready? Oh! Oozy, how do you do that? All right, I love you, Oozy. This is for you. Ow! Every time! Shinner front, shinner back. You ready? Yeah. How about now?
You know
Dang it.
what? The weird board kickflip's been a little bit in your head lately. Remember
What
the
are you saying?
Remember the nightmare kickflips that you did the other day?
What are you trying to say?
I'm just saying, time to get back to being Aaron Cairo, the sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay
You're
Area.
trying to say I can't do it?
Yeah, actually. You used up all your energy yelling like that.
Never wanted to cuss so bad in my entire life.
Just let it rip. I think it's because that's our ABD. You should just do Vario, and that might be easier.
I can't just not kick. I said it could not be kickflipped, and then Oozy just walks up. Hey, anybody kickflip yet? Boom. I was like, never been so demoralized in my whole existence.
Oozy's, I think, the best kickflipper of weird boards on the team.
Truth.
Oh! Kickflip the fakie!
That was pretty good, though.
That was good.
All right.
All right, right here.
Keep
if you
him
land
alive.
if you land varial flip first try, I will go at lunch and buy you Jamba Juice and bring it back.
Really?
Yes, my most hated place.
Okay, hold on.
You
Let me
work
stretch my groin
yeah,
out.
Work those hip flexors. Get going.
Yesterday really pulled something.
Yeah.
Right up in there, you know?
doable?
Yeah, 100%. I just got to give it one practice step.
Yeah, you got this. Oh, just stop.
It could even be tray flipped, actually.
No.
Now that I get on here. It's busting. Holy son of a... Imagine just landing sideways on that on your ball sack.
On your ball sack?
Shoosh! Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
There's one pointer I have for you that you're not doing.
Slick your hair back.
Yeah, you're not landing it.
Okay.
You gotta believe. You gotta land.
Okay, I believe. I believe I can fly.
So close.
Did I believe?
Not hard enough. No.
I didn't know you were a believer.
I love Justin Bieber.
Same. This right here is for Justin Bieber. Come to the skate park and play me in a game of skate.
Oh! Let's go!
This man is a believer.
Is there something wrong with singing Ariana Grande in the shower, Nigel Ryan
No,
Jones?
that's just hilarious. I can just picture you screaming at the top of your lungs.
I ain't even screaming, brother. I am reciting lyrics to a song
Can we
with
get
the
it?
voice of God.
Can we get a rendition of this right now?
No, you're gonna have to pay me. All right, JD, you gonna drop in on the vert ramp?
Oh no.
I'm just kidding. What about launch down the 3 stair?
I could do that.
We should make him put his pads on. What? Well, if you can do the 3 stair, you can do the 5 stair.
I think you can send the 5 stair.
And if you can do the 5 stair, you can do the 3 stair.
Yes, finally, someone understands me.
Oh, why did you giraffe me?
My bad, I was too scared, bro.
Well, the board landed about here, so I think you're safe. You did it so easy on the 3. And it popped the basketball.
No!
Thank you so much.
Hey, that was an insane send, though.
That was good, JD. I can't believe you full commit.
How would it
Here we
feel?
go. I feel very cold. It's freezing.
Frizzing.
It's freezing.
It's frizzing. Hey, that weather's got the ultimate riz.
And that is a dangerous projectile after it leaves.
3 tries, exact same result. What will happen next? Leave it in the comments below.
Talking probability, I mean, he might do that one more time, and then on the 5th try, he'll lean forward a little bit and then land it.
Why would it take 5?
All right, JD, you got it.
Alright, what?
You got it.
I actually cannot believe we fully predicted the Super Bowl 100%.
Dude, we really did.
Down to a T. There's one guy who's wrote it in as a joke. I just put my whole mortgage on, and he said the exact lineup, and then later I was thinking, Dan, you wish you would have.
Hey, you gotta lean forward, JD.
I know.
You gotta lean forward.
I thought that was it, but it wasn't.
You thought he had it, he was so close.
No!
I've only seen that look of pain on his face a few times.
So, Aaron, remember when I was like, hey, go drop in on the vert ramp, and then I took it down to the 3 stair? I was done there. So anything that happens right now is, it was you suggesting the follow.
100%. Because I take the kids and I push them. Remember, you can watch the video. I taught this young man how to do a frontside 180 when he was 6 years old. Now look at him. He's a champion. You gotta go through the pain to become a champion.
Well, hey, if JD can't go anymore, it looks like you gotta go back to your 26-year-old self, Nigel.
What do you mean?
So basically you needed to fall back, then fall forward, then realize it's not back or forward, it's just straight on.
He must have a business degree.
Indeed he do. What grade are you in?
8th.
I remember when I was in 8th grade. Got my first girlfriend, Erin Oz. Broke my heart. Love you.
Broke my heart, love you. No.
We all moved past it. It's okay.
No, you never do. You got this.
Is there grip tape on the bottom?
It sounds like it.
Yeah, On the nose, yeah, he just wrapped it around.
All right, yep, I got this. You ready?
Hands up!
Try it again.
Dude, it stopped.
Oh! This thing is impossible to try.
Who did set this up?
The Braille House Ghost.
It went amazingly well.
All right, that was it.
Could you say he was ghost riding the whip? Who's got a good ender on this? Hard flip? Dragon flip?
You owe me a soda.
Monster flip? Oozy, you got a tray? He's so calm and collected, just, man, he doesn't even need to think about it.
It's the business degree talking. He's all serious.
Why are you coming at me like this,
What do
Gabe?
you mean?
Why are you coming
What
at
do you mean?
The first thing you said to me today was, no, I don't think you'll ever drop in on anything.
Oh,
come at
that's
me
why.
like
That's
that?
why.
Angry.
What in the flying?
What?
You broke the
No, we're good. We're good.
Wow.
Okay, now, right over here in the light where it's all good looking.
Whoa. We got rune farmers in the house, Nigel.
I think I figured it out. Is that Carmen San Diego thing? Is that a song? Wow! Wow! I thought I was slipping out and then I just stayed on.
Holy.
What the heck?
No, that's quite literally the best tray flip ever done on any board. Tell me that thing didn't just make your dreams come true. Wow.
Stop go.
And on that note, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have something to send us, you can send us an email. skate@brailleskateboarding.com. Let's see what you got. Get creative, get wild, let's see it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one. We make these to inspire you, yes you, to learn how to ride a skateboard. Go and get it.